Sashipuri guys, what is happening? Vimal here, back with a new video. So remember guys, 2 weeks back I posted my unboxing video on my brand new Rayban Meta Gen 2 AI glasses, and in that video only I got so many questions and comments from you guys only asking like, Vimal bro, shades definitely look cool and we do believe that it's got like camera, built-in microphone, speaker is also there. That definitely sounds fun, but you know what's special about these glasses? What exactly can you do with them? Are they really worth that price tag? I mean, obviously they're pretty expensive in India guys. These glasses cost almost like 40,000 rupees. So are they worth it? I've been using these glasses ever since then, almost as my day-to-day driver guys, and today in this video I'll be sharing lots of information, basically talk about my entire review and experience with these glasses and basically what you can do with it. And let me tell you, you can do some really fun and interesting things with these glasses. So I'm like pretty super excited to get started with this video. Now I won't be doing the whole unboxing part again because I've already done that. I'll leave a link to that in the card above. Basically in the package, right, you get a beautiful carry pouch. Let me show you how the carry case looks like. This is how the carry case looks like guys. Very nice with the Rayban finishing, and the whole leather material is also like excellent. And this also doubles up as your charging case for the glasses. And inside this we got the glasses along with a cleaning cloth. So that's it. These are all the items you got in the package. So before we actually get to the whole features and talk about all of it smart things you can do with the glasses, right, let me first tell you about the different models and variants you get on the Meta glasses. And let me tell you, Rayban is not the only brand offering Meta glasses. You also get these Meta glasses from Oakley also. So it all totally depends on the looks and the style preference. Now me personally, I like the style and look of the Wayfarers. I mean, you can never go wrong with these Wayfarers guys. Classic design is what I can say. But apart from that, Rayban also has like other variants like Skyler, headliner model is also there. So it's totally up to you. I'll try to leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check out all of these different models and let me know your favorite as well in the comment section down below. Now keeping all that aside, one major difference you might consider before buying these glasses is you get two models, Gen 1 and Gen 2. So which one should you go for? Now let me be honest and tell you, both these glasses are almost like 70-75% identical guys. From the look of it, right, you cannot identify if they are Gen 1 or Gen 2. Both of them look very identical. Only difference come in the battery life and the camera improvements guys. Major upgrade especially to the battery life. Almost double the battery life guys. Gen 1 only lasts for around like 3.5-4 hours, whereas the Gen 2s can last for up to like 8 hours guys, and that can definitely make a big difference, especially if you want to use them on a day-to-day sort of basis. So keeping all that aside, let me actually talk about the whole comfort, usability and wear and tear of these glasses. So I've told you, right, I've been using them for the last couple of days and the glasses roughly weigh around like 50-51 grams. Not that heavy, but in case if you're a guy coming from lightweight frames and switch over to these Rayban Meta glasses, you might feel these glasses are slightly a bit on the heavier side because obviously you're getting battery on board, camera is also there and other hardware, right? So you might feel a bit heavy initially, but once you get used to them, right, everything feels like pretty normal guys, day-to-day sort of usage. And keeping that aside, if you ask about the whole wear and tear, now my Rayban Meta glasses are actually coming with a shiny frame. Apart from the shiny frame, you also get like matte finished frames also. And personally, after using these glasses for almost like 2 weeks, I would highly suggest you to go with the matte finishing only guys. I mean, shiny black definitely looks quite nice and premium, but if you actually have a closer look, right, especially on the arms, shiny black attracts a lot of better, you know, minute scratches, hairline scratches, and you can see the visibility of wear and tear within 2 weeks only guys. And I feel that matte finishing wouldn't attract these many scratches. So that is my personal suggestion. Again, I'll leave that to you. And one more thing I do have to mention is these Meta glasses keep sliding off my nose guys over time. Especially maybe if you're looking down or maybe you're writing something, right, over time within a couple of seconds these glasses slightly, you know, start slipping and come sliding down to my nose. I'm not sure what the reason is. Is it because of the design or is it because of the weight? But yes, it happens and it's a bit annoying. Every once in a while I'll have to adjust my frames and, you know, push back the glasses to its original position. One more thing you might have noticed is, why are my Meta glasses transparent? I mean, initially if you have seen the glasses in the unboxing video, they actually came with like green tinted lenses from the factory, right? So thing is, I have sight, right? So obviously I cannot see if I use the glasses as it is, so I had to get them replaced with like prescription lenses. So I went with like Zeiss lenses, guys, and on top of that, these are not your regular lenses, these are actually Photo Fusion X lenses. So basically transition series. So these glasses automatically change from clear transparent to dark shades whenever I go outside, guys. Maybe like, you know, in like bright sunlight situation, or if there's some sort of UV light, they'll automatically transition from clear to dark. So I'm getting like 2-in-1 experience. If you guys want to know more about how I got these prescription lenses, how I actually changed the lenses on my glasses, I'll try to make like a separate video. Just let me know in the comment section. Today that is not the topic, right? So I'll try to stick with the Rayban Meta glasses review only. Anyways, now let's move on and talk about the main aspects of these glasses. So first thing is, you're getting 12 megapixel camera on these glasses, and let me tell you, you might think that you're having 2 cameras on this thing, but no, you're only getting like 1 camera, and the other one is actually a white LED indicator that will give you like a indication to the other person that you're actually recording some video or taking some photos on these glasses, guys. And apart from that, if you want to interact with the glasses, you can actually do it in 2 ways. There is one hyper responsive touchpad on the right side, and using this you can control various things, maybe like increase, decrease the volume, or maybe trigger any sort of response. Maybe if you want to trigger the voice assistant, right, you can set custom shortcuts and everything can be controlled from over here. Second method, which I use mostly, is using voice assistant. All you need to say is, hey Meta, and that's it. It'll automatically start listening to your question and give you results like on the fly. But for this, you obviously need the glasses to be connected to your phone with Bluetooth and obviously have internet connection, guys. And talking about the cameras, I've told you, right, these Meta Gen 2 glasses come with an upgraded 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and using this you can shoot videos up to 3K resolution 30 frames per second, or 1080p 60 fps video recording is also possible. On the Gen 1 you do not get support for 3K resolution video recording, guys. Only 1080p is available, so that definitely makes a bit of difference. But apart from that, both the Gen 1 and Gen 2 can take pictures in 12 megapixel resolution only. We'll come there and talk about the whole camera quality, how's the video quality, performance, and all of that at a later part in the video. In fact, I've shot some very interesting video samples, pictures also during the last couple of days of my testing, so stay tuned for that part. Keeping that aside, let's actually get to the main aspect, and let me tell you all the fun things you can actually do with these Meta glasses. My favorite feature that I found very intriguing in the last couple of days is look and tell feature, guys. So these Meta glasses can actually see what you're looking at and describe the whole thing. For example, you're curious about something, maybe you're holding some item that you're not sure of what that is. Simply ask Meta like, hey Meta, what am I looking at, and it'll give you answers directly on your speakers. Let me give you a small example. Say for example, we have this toy car over here, and maybe you don't know what car this is. Simply say like, hey Meta, look and tell what car am I holding.
You are holding a small red sports car. It appears to be a toy or model car, possibly a Porsche 911 GT2 RS.
Did you guys actually listen to that? It was describing the whole toy that I was holding, and it also described about the model. I was not sure about that. That is freaking cool. Now say for example, you go into a supermarket or maybe like a grocery store, and you're not sure about some vegetable or a fruit. Simply hold the fruit and ask Meta like, hey Meta, what are these vegetables, or what am I holding right now in the hand? And it'll give you like a descriptive detail. And not only description, you can even ask it like what you can do with that particular item. Say suppose you're holding maybe like strawberries, you can ask it like, what can I do, what sort of dessert can I do with strawberries, and it'll give you like very interesting results. So do try that out. So not just this, you can use it in creative ways. Maybe you're on a vacation, you're on a holiday traveling somewhere, and you come across some architectural structure, a monument that you're not sure of. Simply ask Meta like, look and tell Meta, what am I looking at? What is that structure? Can you describe? And it'll give you like a very detailed and informative answer, guys. I really like this feature. Apart from that, one more interesting feature is these glasses also support live translation. Maybe you're on a holiday again, you're in Spain, or maybe you're in a French country and people are speaking French or Spanish, something like that, and you don't understand anything. Simply ask Meta like, hey Meta, start live translation, and that's it. It'll start translating in real time, and you'll be able to understand the other guy speaking in all English, guys. Like, How cool is that? Only problem is these glasses support only up to like 5 or 6 languages, guys. So maybe in future Meta will add more languages support. Definitely a cool and super useful feature. You people know, right? The glasses also come with like built-in speakers and also have a microphone as well. And quality of the speakers and microphone is exceptional, guys. I mean, I've been using these glasses on a day-to-day basis, especially to answer all my calls, and I was having like a great experience. Quality of these open ear design speakers is like excellent. I've not even used any sort of TWS in the last couple of days because I've been enjoying the way I've been communicating with other people on the glasses. Microphone quality is also nice. Other person couldn't even make out the difference that I was actually speaking to them through glasses and not my phone. So very satisfied results. Apart from that, the glasses are also capable of giving you recommendations. Say for example, you have some sort of event and you're unable to decide your outfit, or maybe you're not able to choose your necktie or some shoes for the outfit. Simply stand in front of a mirror and showcase some options holding, these shoes or maybe like neckties or something, and ask it like, Meta, which one is better for my outfit, and it will give you its personal suggestions. And that is also a cool feature. And maybe if you're traveling, you're in a new place and you're not sure which dish or what sort of food is popular in that area, ask Meta, like, Meta, can you give me some nice food recommendations in this area, what is popular, and it will give you like a nice curated list, guys. So these features are also nice. One more interesting feature I found is these glasses are also capable of scanning QR codes, and you can even do like UPI Lite payments also from WhatsApp, guys. You'll need to set it up using WhatsApp and Meta. You need to link both of them, and that's it. Up to like 1000 or 2000 rupees, you can do like UPI Lite payment. Simply say like, Meta, scan that QR code and do this much amount payment, and that's it. It'll do. Not just UPI payments, heck, you can even do like WhatsApp video calls also. Just say Meta, like, start WhatsApp video call with this particular person, and the person will actually see through the camera on these lenses. I mean, whatever you're seeing, right, the other guy will be able to see using the camera on these glasses. That is also a really cool feature. You can even take a selfie. I mean, it does have like wear detection, but if you remove the glasses do not actually turn off. You can, turn the glasses around you and you can ask it to take a selfie using voice command. That is also possible. And last but not the least, you can even use this for your homework also. Say for example, you have some sort of math problem. You can ask Meta glasses to look at that math problem and solve it for you. Let me give you like a quick demo. So I have a piece of paper over here with some math problem. I mean, look at this. It says some equation, right? 4 square multiplied with 9 square, 9 cube, something like that. So let's see if Meta can actually solve this. Hey Meta, look and solve this equation.
The equation is 4 cubed times 9 squared. To solve it, we need to follow the order of operations. PEMDAS. 1. Calculate the exponentiation. 4 3 equals 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. 9 squared equals 9 times 9 equals 81. 2. Multiply the results. 64 times 81 equals 5,184. So the solution to the equation is 5184.
That is very cool, right? I mean, it not only gives you an answer, it even explains the whole process, how you can do that. Super useful for all the school or college kids, guys. You can even solve like complex equations also. I've tried it. But not every of your question is successful, guys. It's sometimes hit or miss also. Like for example, I'll give you a small demo. Right now, I have a OnePlus 13 phone in my hand, right? Let's actually see if it can answer what model of this phone is. Hey Meta, look and tell what phone am I holding.
You are holding a OnePlus phone.
Ooh. Okay, it definitely said a OnePlus phone, but which model?
I apologize for the uncertainty earlier. Based on the image, I believe you are holding a OnePlus 11 phone.
So you guys saw that, right? It actually got the answer wrong. This is not a OnePlus 11. This is actually OnePlus 13. So, like this, it sometimes hit or miss. So just like this, the list of features just never seem to end, guys. I still have lot of more tricks and tips that you can do with these glasses. Maybe I'll keep that for a part 2. You can share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Keeping that aside, let me tell you about the whole battery life and experience as well. I've told you, right, the Gen 2 offer like a big upgrade over the Gen 1, and the brand says that these glasses can last for up to like 7 to 8 hours on a normal usage. And let me tell you, based on my moderate sort of usage, right, I could easily get this lasted for the whole day. Say for example, at 9 o'clock in the morning, I start these glasses with 100% battery life, and I use them moderately. Maybe answer like 4 to 5 calls, and take 2 to 3 video clips, and maybe like 8 to 9 photos daily. Listen to a little bit of music. By the end of the day, around like 6 to 7 o'clock, right, the glasses will be left with around like 20-25% of battery life, guys. So these were the kind of results I was getting. But one thing I do have to mention is, if you want to import the pictures or video files, especially from the glasses to the Meta AI app, then it was draining battery very quickly during this process, guys. So I would advise you to import these videos or any sort of pictures that you take on the glasses at the end of the day only, once you put the glasses in the charging case. Otherwise it's gonna zap out the battery like anything, guys. So maybe you're on a holiday or you're on a vacation and you don't want the battery life to quickly discharge, right? Do the whole importing process during night time when you're taking out the glasses and putting in the case, guys. That is the best solution for this. But apart from that, I'm actually quite happy and satisfied with the whole battery life, especially on the Gen 2. I know you people have been waiting for this part, right? Like, damn Vimal, come on, show us the pictures and video samples already. We've been waiting for this. So there you go. Here are some picture samples that I've shot using the Meta AI glasses, and let me tell you, picture quality is pretty nice. I mean, obviously you're getting 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and the resolution it takes pictures is roughly around 3024 by 4032. There's good amount of detail. All the text is like crisp, clear, easily readable, and dynamic range is also nice. On the overall rate, these are like Instagram social media ready pictures is what I can say. And coming to video, at the beginning only I've told you, right, these glasses are capable of recording videos at 3K resolution 30p, or you can even do like 1080p 60 also. Choice is up to you. Apart from that, slow motion hyperlapse video recording option is also there. And mostly I've been shooting videos in 3K resolution 30p only, because that was actually giving you like great amount of detail, and there was definitely noticeable improvements coming from 1080p resolution, guys. I mean, look at this, good amount of detail, colors also look nice and punchy, and dynamic range is also nice. But only thing I felt is the image processing could have been better. I mean, it can be fixed with a software update also. I felt the overall video looked a bit, over sharpened, which was not necessary in the first place. But once you actually do post processing and adjust a bit of shadows and contrast ratio and everything, right, the overall picture quality, video quality was like quite usable and satisfactory for a glasses. I mean, you obviously cannot match the video quality of a smartphone considering the price tag, but TK, in case if you want to shoot some fun day-to-day sort of videos, vlogs or something like that, put some stories on your Instagram, it's more than enough and sufficient for these sort of activities. And if you ask about the image stabilization, you're not getting optical image stabilization over here. Everything is done in the post processing only using the Meta app, and you're getting different levels of stabilization. I was mostly setting it to medium stabilization only, which was more than enough and was giving like decently good results. And it not only stabilizes the footage, but it is also capable of auto leveling the video also, because if you're watching maybe in a cross direction or something like that, it is automatically tilting and making sure the whole video is actually aligned and horizontal, guys. So definitely appreciate these features. So that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up. This was my whole experience with the Meta AI Gen 2 glasses for the last couple of days. I've been enjoying the whole experience, and what do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Only thing I felt is, damn, the glasses are cool. I mean, it literally makes you feel like Tony Stark, Iron Man kind of stuff, but they're quite expensive, guys. I mean, the Gen 2s almost cost like 40,000 rupees. On top of that, if you get prescriptive lenses, you go for like good quality lenses, that's again gonna cost you extra. So what do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you all enjoyed watching the video and got lots of information, right, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.